Casement windows are known for their energy efficiency, tight seals, and modern appearance. When properly installed, they provide excellent protection against air and water intrusion. However, even the highest quality casement windows can develop leaks if installation is not done correctly. For homeowners in Pell City, professional installation is the key to ensuring casement windows remain leak-free and perform as intended for years to come. Why casement windows require precise installation? Casement windows operate on hinges and close by pressing tightly against the frame. This design creates a strong seal when everything is aligned correctly. If the window is even slightly misaligned, gaps can form that allow air and water to enter. In Pell City, where rain and changing weather conditions are common, proper alignment during installation is essential to prevent leaks and moisture damage. Correct measurements prevent gaps. Professional installers begin by taking precise measurements of the window opening. Older homes may have openings that are not perfectly square, making accurate measurement critical. By addressing these variations, professional installers ensure casement windows fit snugly within the opening, eliminating gaps that could lead to leaks in Pell City homes. Proper flashing and moisture protection. Flashing is one of the most important components of a leak-free window installation. It directs water away from the window opening and prevents moisture from seeping into the walls. Professional installers use proven flashing techniques and materials to create a waterproof barrier around casement windows. For Pell City homeowners, this step provides long-term protection against water intrusion. High-quality sealing and insulation. Sealants and insulation play a major role in preventing leaks. Professionals apply high-quality sealants evenly and correctly, ensuring complete coverage around the window frame. In Pell City homes, proper insulation helps prevent both air and water leaks, improving comfort and energy efficiency. Ensuring smooth operation and tight closure. A well-installed casement window should open and close smoothly while maintaining a tight seal when closed. Professional installers adjust hinges, locks, and hardware to ensure proper operation. This attention to detail ensures casement windows remain leak-free and easy to use for Pell City homeowners. Preventing long-term structural damage. Leaks around windows can lead to serious problems, including mold growth, wood rot, and wall damage. Professional installation reduces the risk of these issues by ensuring water is properly diverted away from the home. For Pell City homeowners, this protection helps preserve both the structure and value of their home. Enhanced energy efficiency and comfort. Leak-free windows improve energy efficiency by preventing drafts and heat loss. Casement windows installed by professionals maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce strain on heating and cooling systems. In Pell City, this results in lower energy costs and improved comfort year-round. Peace of mind for Pell City homeowners. Professional installation ensures casement windows perform as designed, tight, secure, and leak-free. By working with experienced installers, Pell City homeowners gain confidence that their investment is protected. Proper installation delivers long-term performance, comfort, and peace of mind, making it an essential part of any casement window upgrade.